In this video, I will show you how to generate a blog outlines using Marcopy. So in the template section, I'm going to click on blog outlines. And all I have to give to Mark is the topic or the primary keyword that I want to rank for on Google. So here, let's say that I want to rank for how to write a blog post. After selecting the language, so here it will be English, I'm going to click on generate. And now Mark is going to give me a bunch of outlines, and I can assemble, using all those examples, I can assemble the perfect outline. So for example, I'm going to take this, choose links, and I'm going to enter here, all right? Let's say that this is going to be my final outline. I don't want this. I want this, all right? And I have a bunch of outlines. So this would be the H2, in an article, you would have the H1, which would be the title. So for example, how to write a blog post. And those would be a bunch of H2. But this is not where you're going to write your blog post. Where you're going to write your blog post is in the full blog post template. So when I click on it, I have a full blog post here. You see, it's a full editor that is very complete. Let's put our H1, how to write a blog post. Nice. And now we are going to the outline. You see, I can find it back here. I can find the outline template here. How to write a blog post. It takes my title. I click on generate, and now I'm going to have a bunch of H2 that I can use. So I'm going to use this one. Let's put a more outline there. So this one too. And now I'm going to delete what I don't want. So I don't want this one. I don't want this one. All right. So now I have my outline. Next thing I can do an introduction. Nice. I'm going to have an introduction. So I have the title, I have the outline, I have the intro, and this is perfect. You see, I'm really saving a lot of time. I select this and I click on write more. Perfect. So as you can see, this is how you can use the outline template. It's very, very effective. Honestly, to find your H2. All right. So you see, it's even going to continue the article for me. I'm going to do Command Z to delete, and I'm going to do it again. So we will see, it will generate me another text. And by the way, the text is 100% original. That's the good part. What makes a good blog post, how to write a blog post. You see, it's trying to find me the, all the H2, but I already have them. So what I can do is I can take this, and I'm going on introduction, and I'm going to find other paragraph that I can use for my article. So let's see what we are going to get here. All right, perfect, writing a blog post. You see, it's kind of a Google search, but for finding original content generated with AI. It's 100% original, and it's your content. So that's why it's so good. Nice, I have this. You can see how I'm like saving a lot of time. This is crazy. I can write 3x faster using Marcopy. And also, so you can see how to find a good topic for your blog. Writing a blog is a great way to get your message out there and attract customers. I love that. This is so good. I take this, I select it, and I click on write more. And now, all I have to do is wait Mark to generate the text. But you see, I guide him. I tell him what to do. I tell him what to write. And when I'm not happy about the content, I just delete and I do it again. I'm in control. So this is really a collaboration between you and Marcopy. So we have a 7-day free trial. Don't hesitate to try it. Try it for your own subjects, for your own product or service, and see if it works for yourself. And if you have any questions, please, you can ask us anything you want. Any questions you have, you can ask us on the support chat here at the bottom right. So you click on it, you ask us your question, and we answer usually pretty fast. All right, so guys, take care, and I will see you in another video. Bye.